everyone, and welcome to the first course lecture. Think back to every science fiction movie you have ever seen. There is always that one character, an AI assistant, that doesn't just wait for a command, but actually understands the hero's world. It anticipates problems before they happen and acts as a true partner. For years, this was just fiction. But with Gemini, we are getting closer and closer to a future where that kind of partnership is becoming a reality. So, what is Gemini? I like to think of it as three layers of a house. The foundation, the brain. These are the Gemini models themselves, built by Google's research lab, DeepMind. In this course, we will be using the latest generation of Gemini models. This includes high-level reasoning models for complex logic, advanced image generation tools for photorealistic visuals, and next-generation video models that can generate high-definition scenes with sound. These models are natively multimodal, meaning they don't just process text, they see, hear, and think across every medium at once, just like we do. Okay, coming back to the house analogy, the second level is the living space, the assistant. This is the home base we will be spending most of our time in. The app on your phone and the website at gemini.google.com. It's a creative space where you can chat, code, and use tools like gems to customize how the AI behaves. And finally, the third layer is the infrastructure. This is Gemini living inside Gmail, Google Docs, and Search. It's the AI overview that summarizes your search results, or the Help Me Write button that drafts your emails. In this course, our focus is on that middle layer, the Gemini AI assistant. The Google's vision regarding it is centered across the three P's: personal, proactive, powerful. Let's explore what this means. First, it is personal. Most AI models are generalists. They know a lot about the world, but quite little about you. Gemini is designed to be your personal extension. With your permission, it can connect to your personal context, your emails, your files, and your history to provide help that is uniquely relevant to your life. Second, it is proactive. Today, most AI is reactive. You ask, it answers. The future of Gemini is about seeing what's coming. If you have a big client presentation on Friday, Gemini should not just remind you it is coming. It should look at your calendar a week before and say, I noticed your strategy meeting with company A is on Friday. Based on the proposal in your drive and the latest email thread with their team, here is a preparation brief and 3 questions you will likely face. Third, it is powerful. With the latest advancements in Gemini, we are moving beyond simple text generation into thinking things into existence. Whether you are building an entire website from a single prompt or creating cinematic video for a marketing campaign, the power that used to require a whole team of specialists is now at your fingertips. But having all of this power doesn't mean the AI is in charge. It is important to remember that even when Gemini is being proactive, it is always taking your lead. It doesn't have its own secret agenda or set of beliefs. It is designed to follow the orders you give it through your instructions and preferences. So, whether it is acting as your researcher, your coder, or your creative collaborator, you are always in the driver's seat. Productivity is not the AI doing its own thing. It is the AI anticipating what you need because you have already defined the goal. Now that we have explored the vision and the architecture, it is time to move from theory to practice. In the next lecture, we will take a closer look at the different specialized models for reasoning, images, and video. And I will also show you how to set up your account with Gemini. I'll see you there.